Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so here's the box. We'll just do this one. We're back inside. We went back to test the 9-day. We talked about that a little bit yesterday. The ultimate answer might be coming back all the way to test that 20-day as we shed these lower prices. We went over that in pretty significant detail yesterday. We also talked about just how the bulls struggle basically anywhere above 41.70. Made it to 41.98 and change yesterday. Couldn't print anything with a 42 on it, and they brought it back in. Now, okay, bears, I see you. You held 4,200. That's great. That's a solid golf clap. You haven't accomplished a single solitary bleeping thing. This is where the work needs to start for the bears, okay? So fading that back is easy. Dealing with these lines, that's where it gets tough because you couldn't do it here. You couldn't hold it here. I mean, this has been an issue, okay? They get another bite at the apple. They get another bite at the apple. Weekly pivot 9-day. The entire day today, the entire day is about whether or not we close above or below those two lines. That will set up the last 2 days. You got volume weighted average price coming in about 63. You can see weekly pivot down there, 53.17. 54.31 is your 9-day. Hourly mid-band, 41.70. So yesterday was just kind of a mess. They take it down from 4,200, and then it just kind of flags for hours. These are hourly candles. They brought it in. Europe finally accelerated it overnight. But as far as the regular session yesterday was concerned, that was a tough look. I mean, that was not fun. And as this tape consolidates or sits in ranges and decides what it wants to do, there are going to be days that it doesn't really want to be traded. Monday was kind of one of those days, right until after 2 o'clock. This one wanted to be traded at 9, and then not much. So, do we close above or below the 9-day and weekly pivot? That's what it is. This can be a pretty short webcast. Some days there's a lot to talk about. Some days it's about what are you going to do with that line? What are you going to do? If you convert it, it opens up the roundy. It opens up 4,100. If you blow it again here, bears, and the bulls are allowed to climb back up on top of the hourly mid-band, as you get Thursday into Friday, it's going to beg for a retest of 41.98. So the next 50 handles hinges on what are the bears going to do with their 587th chance to convert the 9-day. So one last look at the daily. We have been interacting with the 9-day constantly. The bears need to win one of these battles. Did it down here. They need to win one of these battles because they haven't won any yet. We'll see how it goes. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow.